Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news we have a sprite sheet animation pack of 3 explosions by Ansimus, a character art of a man in a black suit by Raiko, and a girl in plain clothes by Fuyukuma. Twilight Memoria, an RPG with an active time battle system about 2 kids living their daily life in a fantasy setting full of monsters. An MZ plugin by Gabe that allows us to import custom fonts into our project. A Tileset pack of a nature dungeon by Jif. A Tileset pack of 90 fantasy isometric objects by Fidan Marian. An article tutorial by Harizumi on how to playtest an MV project through Chrome browser. This is meant as a workaround for the incompatibility issue with the latest macOS. And lastly, a Crosshair Pack by Kenny. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.